Here it is, the UPS person bringing the Oru Kayak. Well, I brought the box in, and this is the inlet from Oru Kayak. Let's take a look over here at the specs. It says it's 9 feet 8 inches long. It should take 5 minutes to assemble. Only weighs 20 pounds. And these are the various modes that you probably can take it, like hiking on the plane or storing it. This is the picture on the box. So I'm excited. Alex, are you excited?
Yeah.
You are?
Guess what? When I'm gonna tell you.
What? What are you gonna tell me? All right, Alex, you got a package too. What's inside?
What is it?
Well, it's open right over here if you want to just open it.
Where?
On the top. What'd you get? What is it?
Guess what? What I'm gonna tell you.
What? Okay, so now we're gonna open the kayak. There we go. And you see we have a welcome package here. And this contains, let's see, some extra clips. And I'm guessing the instruction on how to unfold it. I actually have the coast from Oru Kayak. And this is the kayak over here. So it's nice and compact, it's small. It's definitely something that I can carry in my trunk all the time. So this is it. We're gonna unfold the boat and we'll see how well it goes. So now I'm going to open this. Whoa, a little longer. This boat is going to open up. Interesting. Okay. This side down. This is on top. So I guess this is the front of the boat, and this is the back of the boat. Okay, this is what it looks like unfolded. I haven't made the boat yet. But this is the packaging. Okay, and this is the boat when it's finished. It's actually pretty easy to install. So let's see if I can actually unfold it and put it back into its travel form. Okay, so I was able to fold it back up into the box. I've done this twice already, and it's pretty easy. You just have to get used to how the bolt folds. And so forth. I actually have the Oru Coast, which is an amazing boat. That's 16 feet. This is a 10-foot boat. That one takes me like about 12-13 minutes to assemble. This was very fast. It was very easy. All done with like the buckles and pulls to hold it tight. But it folds up just like a briefcase, which is really neat. Okay, well anyways, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to show you the unboxing of it and the assembly of the boat. I kind of did a time lapse because, you know, it goes over 5 minutes, so I didn't want to take too long on the video. But this is amazing how it's just right. This whole boat is contained within this, it looks like a little suitcase over here. They do sell a travel bag for that, so if you ever wanted to go on a plane or whatnot with the boat, you can. This is much smaller. It's like half the size of my Coast. But Coast, again, it's a 16-foot boat, and it's amazing. Thank you, Oru, for an amazing product and engineering cool boat that I could easily fold up and put in my trunk. See ya in the next video. I'll be on the water.